If you are interested in getting hands-on experience in medical internships, Jamaica can offer you an exciting and challenging experience. We can match you with the perfect role, whether you are a pre-med student or a doctor in training. We'll build your skills and give you the experience you're looking for. If you are a pre-med student or doctor in training and feel alone or unsure about how to find an internship to launch your career, don't worry. Many other interns like you have faced similar problems, but now there's an answer that can fix that. Introducing Jamaica Volunteer Programs, a unique organization with a network of local partners to provide all the services and experiences you're looking for. Now you can plan that perfect medical internship experience without all the headaches. Here are some of the opportunities we can find for you in local clinics. For doctors in training and depending on your level of experience and skills, you may be asked to assist the medical doctor on duty. Even if you are unable to do hands-on work, just by shadowing the local doctor on duty, you'll gain valuable exposure and become sensitized to various health problems. Some of the basic tasks you'll perform are general health checks, advice on nutrition, checking blood pressure, counseling, testing, and more. Jamaica is a poor country with approximately 50% of the population living below the poverty line. So there is a great demand for free health care. Be prepared to see long lines of people waiting each day to access the health services. But with this challenge comes your opportunity to get exposure and valuable work experience. Stop trying to work on your medical internship alone. You do not have to spend hours searching for meaningful projects, a safe and affordable accommodation, and all the little things you require. To begin planning your internship abroad, contact one of our expert program advisors or just click the link below to send an inquiry or application. A few months from now, you could have the internship of your dreams, building skills and getting valuable work experience. Stop struggling to find that dream internship and take action today, right now.